Hello everyone. We would like to present an idea that actually think that can change the life of a lot of people. When I say we, I'm talking about three people. That's me, Surbhi Ranawat and Puya Mohammadi, and we are giving an idea of a smartwatch that is an health mechanism and a safety mechanism for elder people. So the next slide, we'll explain the business concept. Now, the business concept is that CPR is an idea that has the safety of the wise people of the society at heart. It answers the following questions: a smartwatch that is easy to use, yes. A smartwatch that is health conscious, yes. A smartwatch that alerts you and your loved ones, definitely yes. So now we want a concept. We want a watch that will actually be there in your tough times. So if in case some elderly people is person is having a heart stroke or something of that sort and is in an emergency, he can contact someone at a touch of a button. So now I would explain the value proposition statement. The value proposition statement goes on as: our AI driven smartwatch helps elderly people, ensuring them to communicate their health status with family and doctor automatically through heart monitoring and contacting emergency at the go. So the four things that actually define the value proposition statement is the product, our customer, the benefit that we are giving, and the differentiator. So now to explain the customer profile, I would like to hand it over to Surbi, who would explain it further.
Hello. So let's look at customer profile. Now, customer profile is a segment which is divided into three parts. The number one being customer jobs. Now, customer jobs are something that the customer looks at to be done, and in some work or tasks to be finished. Customer pains are the obstacles or the risks that come in hand while doing those jobs, and customer gains can be called as the good outcome or the benefits that the customer experiences. Now let's look at the customer jobs. Customer jobs includes live longer. Sorry, the customer jobs for any smartwatch for an elderly would include live longer, then understand daily health status, prevent any risk of death due to heart strokes, then the ability or the ability to make emergency contacts during any crisis, and should be easy. The watch should be easy to use and should be like a safety guardian. Next, let's look at the customer pains. Customer pains includes helplessness. Well, with elders, it's like they feel very helpless when they have a stroke. Then worried about heart problems. They're always worried about their heart problems, and they could be affected by it at any given point of time. Inability to respond when they are under such emergency, their capacity to respond on the situation is very low. Then too many functions to understand, and in such emergency situations they cannot be dealing with a technologically complicated watch. And the last one being inability to notify, and due to this they will not be able to notify maybe their family members or the hospitals regarding their condition. Now let's look at some of the customer gains. Um, so the first one being easy to use. Well, as it is a question of the older generation, it's better that the watches that they use are easy to use and not very difficult to understand. Medicine reminder is one of the gain. So if they would that would be great for the customers if they could have a schedule put up in their watch, and they could be reminded about their medicines and their other medical schedules. Well designed. Well designed means they would want a watch which is designed with good technology, which is easy to understand, first of all. Secondly, it is well designed, and thirdly, there are a lot of people who prefer environment friendly watches. So that would be one of the definitions of well designed. Safety mechanism, well, where safety mechanism comes, the customers would want to feel safe when they're wearing that watch. So the ability to be able to contact your loved ones, or the ability to contact to 911 as soon as possible if there's an emergency. So that's a safety mechanism. Next is value map, which will be taken over by Puya.
Thank you, Surbi. Okay, from now on, from our customer profile, we move to our value map to see how different parts of the customer, different demands meet the values of our brand. So first, our product is a physical watch, but apart that physical watch, we will have some more extra services. It's not just a physical watch. Actually, it tracks the heart rate. It doesn't matter whether they're asleep, they are outside, they are walking, or any special occasion, they are permanently under supervision. And then it's completely integrated with medical centers, health centers, emergency centers. Anything that happens, any changes in heart rate will be reported immediately. And also it has customized eco-friendly straps that meets the beauty demand of the elderly. And the last, the family members are entitled to know about their grandmother or grandfathers. And this is the main issue when they have a problem. So no one usually is not out there to inform their family members. So this watch automatically informs the family members. And also for pain relieving, how this product minimizes the pains. First, it relieves the senior citizens. It gives them ease of mind because there is a 24/7, 365 companion with them. It's a medicine reminder and the pain that they are always worried about in medicine time. So here it's relieved. And also it's really simple to use. They don't need to deal with complicated technology. And last, the risk of death. Many of elderly, because of heart problems, they don't have control over their activities. And when it happens, unfortunately. But here, this watch is in close contact with the environment. The gain creators, what the customer gains through this product is they will have a unique customer service and they will have constant support. Then they will have permanent health companion always with them. And also there's alertness to health status. It's constant. And also there's a simple AI that gets to know the customer better and better on a daily basis and weekly basis. And finally, it's environmental friendly. So from now on, we shift to this.
Yeah, so now I would like to explain that the fit for business. So right now we want to know whether this idea is fit for business or is it just another idea. So to go through it, we have two criteria. One is the problem solution fit, and one is the product market fit. So now the problem solution fit is that there are a lot of problems that come into the mind of the elderly people, like the risk of unpreparedness, the complexity of AI, the inaccessibility to close ones, and also the inability to contact medical assistance. Now, with all of these problems, with all of these fears that elder people have in their mind, we have, an idea that actually solves all these problems. So we have people that are more alert with the watch. We have people, we have a simple to use AI without too many configurations. We have, a chance where you can contact your close ones at the touch of a button, or, you just don't feel good. You can just let them know as soon as possible. And also letting the medical assistance and notifying medical assistance easily. So now the next slide, I will explain that we have some things that the elderly people want or are craving, and that would be, again, that would be environmentally friendly goods. So we have recyclable straps. So you need unique customer service. I mean, who thought that technology could be designed to, for the elder people? It's always about the youth nowadays. Now there's alertness in you are more health conscious and in constant check, and a permanent health companion. Now this is what we want this idea to be associated with. It is a permanent health companion. Thank you so much.